narrated Habir bin Abdullah al-Ansari. While talking about the period of pause in Revelation, reporting the speech of the Prophet. While I was walking, all of a sudden I heard a voice from the sky. I looked up and saw the same angel who had visited me at the cave of Hira, sitting on a chair between the sky and the earth. I got afraid of him and came back home and said, "Wrap me in blankets." And then Allah revealed the following holy verses of Quran. O you, i.e. Muhammad, wrapped up in garments. Arise and warn the people against Allah's punishment. Up to, and desert the idols. 74.15. After this the revelation started coming strongly, frequently and regularly. Reference, Sahih al-Bukhari 4. In book reference, Book 1, Hadith 4. USCMSA Web, English, reference, Volume 1, Book 1, Hadith 3. What is your thinking? Comment, and also share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.